We have so many great resources for learning multiplication, and I wanted to briefly show those to you. This is our large multiplication geoboard, and here I've done 3 times 6, and then I divided it into 3 groups of 6, so 3 times 6 equals 18. I've laid out my multiplication coins on the 100 frame here so that we can do our 3s, 3, 6, 9. You see you have 9 wool balls, and also you could do 3 times 4, well 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 12. Or 3 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 27. And then you can just use a 10 frame with the multiplication coins if you want to go 5, 10, 15, 20 and just work on it there. Or create the entire times table here so that you can then go, well, 5 times 3 is 15. Or 8 times 5 equals 40, matching 5 from this side and 8 from this side. That's a great game for children because you can flip it over and what's the missing number? We have our multiplication ring up here. So this is skip counting by 3, starting at the top peg, going every 3 pegs. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 9. And then as you keep wrapping around, you'll finish up and have that beautiful star pattern. And you can do any number to skip count by. This is our multiplication circle tray. So here you're building your times table. We're doing 2 times 1 equals 2, or 2 times 7 equals 14. This is our big one that goes up to 15. And our smaller one if you're just doing times tables up to 10, so 8 times 9 is 72. That same circle is on the back of our geometry cards, so your children can just practice by memorizing that. And on the front of the cards, you put the pegs and rubber bands. And so here I've done the number 8 card, and you can see it has 2 squares in it, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. And that comes with all the way up to 10 cards, pegs, and rubber bands. And the last thing to show you is our base 10 tray here. You work on place value, 372. You can add, subtract, multiply with that as well. Lots of great things to choose from.